Clue Junior. Setup. Lay out the game board. Set aside the white base with no label and the one with the crumbs. Turn the remaining 5 white time bases face down, take one without looking at it, and place it face down in the center of the board. That is the time the cake was eaten. Mix the remaining 6 white bases face down and randomly put a character pawn into each base. Don't look, but the character with the crumbs on its base ate the cake. Without looking at their bases, place the character pawns onto their matching start spaces on the board. Set aside the 2 yellow blank bases. Mix up the other 5 yellow bases face down and place one, without looking at it, in the center of the board. That is what the person who ate the cake had to drink. Mix up all the remaining yellow bases face down and put a random furniture in each. Without looking under their bases, place the furniture on their corresponding pictures on the board. Give each player a detective sheet and a pen or pencil. You can fold your sheet to help keep it hidden from other players.